Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Third take on this one. Our friend keeps calling on the radio, so we get interrupted. We've left Akaroola.
Can you guys confirm if your GPS is going to let you go this way?
We're going to do a fourth take. Okay, so Max is probably quiet at the moment, so where are we? We left Akaroola. We've done our last four-wheel drive trail up there. It's been amazing. The landscape and the nature has just been, every place has been different. And we've seen wedge-tailed eagles, we've seen rock wallabies, we've seen lots of emus. It's been very wildlifey and very little people because we're here in summer and it's normally stinking hot, but we've been lucky with the weather. So today's 35, so it's not too bad. And we're heading towards Blinman or some other town to do a bit of shopping for supplies. We need some fresh fruits and things. But all in all, Akaroola is definitely worth a visit. It was really nice there. We've arrived in Blinman, a little old town here in Flinders Ranges. Not sure what they did originally, but probably mining, I would say. And there's the North Blinman Hotel. And we'll have a fade. She's a bit dusty. Good old car, or the good new car. Looks old, but she's reasonably new. So we'll just go in here at the Blinman. The North Blinman pub, right? Pub and hotel? Yeah. North, oh, not hotel. Maybe. Anyway, I don't know.
Campground?
Blinman slash campground slash sheriff's office.
Fantastic pub food.
I'm running a buffalo steak here, Lou.
Are you running it?
I'm running a buffalo steak.
Did you run the buffalo before?
Yeah. Normally I run cow, but I'm running buffalo tonight.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays. I hope that we are meant to be. You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here, living this romance.
Bumpy road. We're in the Ikara-Flinders Ranges National Park now, so we've moved to more south compared to Akaroola. And I can't say the name of that national park, so there will be a text for that one because it's a difficult word for me to say. But we're now at the Great Wall of China, some rock formations here, and it's pretty cool.
It's very cool.
It's very, very amazing, and it's very big. You can't see it on the camera, but you just have to go here yourself to see it.
Fred's got the drone out. Great Wall of China. It's pretty cool. Flinders Ranges turning on the goods once again. Driving along this road out to Flinders, admiring all the emus and wildlife, and we've just come across an eagle just chilling in a little tree down here.
the world's biggest eagle.
Have you been up here yet?
Right?
It is the world's biggest, largest eagle, yeah.
Hey guys, good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. So they had a flat tire and they thought they didn't have a jack.
Max found it in less than
2
30
seconds.
seconds. And then they were trying to take the rooftop tent off so they could lift the car and change the tire by hand.
They're doing great.
Yeah.
They are doing great.
I think some people should not go
They should
outside
have done a
town.
little bit more research before, but they'll be fine. It was just funny.
Yeah, we found the jack so they can do it themselves. This is nice, isn't it?
This is beautiful. Racerback, look at. Everything is 600 million years old, give and take like 100 million years.
Yeah. Thereabout.
We're doing the Skytrek four-wheel drive at Willow Spring Station. So we're just getting into the start of the trek. See if we can find some really old indigenous rock engravings. Yeah, there's the circles there. They were done by the people before the people who lived here, so they're super old. So, to the right of that big crack, there's a circle and an emu foot. The old hut. Someone lived here till the 1960s, one of the staff at the station. They've restored it after it's after a few rain events where things have broke, but it's pretty much the same as it used to be. Comfy beds. Different life, eh?
Yeah. Before we set up for lunch in here, I might just give her a quick sweep out and get it all nice. Wow, that looks so cool.
Yeah, what an awesome truck so far, eh?
Oh, mate.
We're about halfway on the Skytrek four-wheel drive at Willow Spring Station. I think it's 70,000 acres they got, so it's a big property. And we're having a little bit of a lunch stop and doing a little bit of bush mechanics. Our mud flaps come loose and we have cable tied it a bit, but it's not enough. So Fred's going to try and sort that so it doesn't hit the tire all the time. Max is organising out his little girls.
Yep, I'll give them a little snack.
Hey ladies, what are you guys doing? What are you doing, Florence? Hey? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get your nose in the camera. Hey Cammy.
Want this?
Hey Cam. Oh, greenies.
Want this?
We got greenies. Yummo.
Pretty steep here. Louise is very busy.
Yep.
Thanks for the push, mate.
You need it. What are you doing in here? You're looking for beer?
I'm trying to find my beer stash. No, you know how we used this jack the other day to support the car when we were plugging that tyre?
Yeah.
I think I might have. Yes. I have a rattle. It was that. I forgot to strap it back in.
Hopefully you got some paint left.
Yeah. Just hold this, keep going, just crawl through there. That's it. Slowly on the back, yep. Go. Keep going, yeah. Just go a little bit of left hand down. Big horse just parked up here, looking sick. Just drove a fun little section, a couple of cruises, making it look easy.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now. Hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given.